Hey guys, well, Logan and I got the front side of the cage done here. Um, did all our triangulating in, bar coming up, going across for pretty good support. Got this all built up in here. The brake, the master cylinder used to obviously face this way, so the hinge point was down here. So we cut it, shortened it, put it up on top, so that way the plunger goes in. Now we got to gusset all this stuff up. I need to slice this so that turns that into technically a bushing, and then we'll tie that into here and tie it up to here for strength because we're going to be pushing into it. We slowly started on the gas pedal. We have a firewall that we already have made, so we make sure we're not running into that. After that, seat comes out. We're going to cut all that out, put some support tubing in, and then make a center console and some knickknacks. So after that, the firewall come in. So firewall should be pretty easy. Everything's triangulated now, so should make it pretty easy to work on. So coming along, once this done, might be able to actually start working on the Ranger. So got metal in my eye. Other than that, yeah, that's about it. It's went pretty quick. Notching the tubing, I'm just using my grinder with a sander pad on it. It goes through it pretty quick. We're using 120 wall, which is 1/8 inch, so it's pretty thick. Takes a little bit, but got the shop well cleaned up today, so ready to get for tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoy what we're doing. We're learning a lot. We're trying different things. We're kind of out of our realm here. We're learning, so yeah, enjoy. Go Lucky 13.